We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2021 about bread machine, CSS stainless steel bread maker, 2 pounds, 15-in-1 programmable bread maker with LCD screen, 1 hour keep warm, clear recipes. Nonstick ceramic, memory function, 3 loaf sizes. When is Black Friday 2021 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2021. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2021. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Tip for buy. Bookmark link in YouTube description and check back for new all details every day. Can't wait? Click Shop Black Friday for all of our present details. If you want to get highlight features and full review of bread machine, CSS stainless steel bread maker, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview summary. More than a bread maker, 1829 Carl Schmitt's own bread machine provides 15 menus for you to choose, including different kinds of bread, dough, cake, and yogurt. With the LCD intuitive digital panel, it is easy for you to operate and make your delicious homemade bread. Enjoy your delicious homemade food with 1829 Carl Schmitt's own bread maker. This bread maker is supported with heat preservation performance. The keep warm setting can keep the bread fresh at a certain temperature for 1 hour after the bread making is finished. With the delay timer, you can set it up to 15 hours in advance. Just set up the timer and go to sleep, you will be awakened by the smell of fresh bread from the bread maker. Our bread maker machine features 3 crust colors for bread, light/medium/dark. 3 crust colors bring you 3 kinds of taste according to your preferences. Suitable for daily use, it also has settings for 3 kinds of weight, including 1.0 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2.0 pound. 1829 Carl Schmitt's own bread machine is enough for one family. Through the big viewing window, it is funny and convenient for you to observe the whole process. To provide a high-quality product, 1829 Carl Schmitt's own adopted stainless steel for this amazing bread maker to ensure the durability, beauty, and safety. It also brings you a contemporary and functional design which is fantastic in your kitchen. You could see and control the bread making process at any time through the big view window. The agitator and the bread bucket are easily detachable, which allows you to clean them thoroughly. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.